Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by selecting the exact rows or columns you want to group. This is where precision matters. Once selected, right-click or go to Data and choose Group Rows or Group Columns because Google Sheets creates a collapsible outline based on the selection. Make sure no hidden rows or filtered ranges interrupt the block, otherwise grouping will skip cells. This first step establishes the outline structure. It saves time when you need to collapse sections for cleaner sheets. Once the basic group exists, use the small minus icon to collapse and the plus to expand so you can view summaries quickly. If you need hierarchical organization, select a subrange inside an existing group and repeat the group command to create nested groups. This lets you drill into detail without clutter. You can also use keyboard shortcuts or the data menu repeatedly to speed bulk grouping. This middle phase refines navigation and improves readability for large datasets. To finish, verify the collapsed and expanded states look right. Google Sheets maintains those states for collaborators, so double-check sharing behavior. If you need changes, select the range and choose Data, then ungroup to revert. This preserves sheet integrity. If grouping fails or behaves oddly, check for merged cells, protected ranges, or filters that block selection. Those are the most common culprits. If problems persist, unmerge or remove protection, then regroup to restore the intended outline.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.